passionate about STEM, but disappointed in the lack of female representation in the field, Emily was determined to encourage and educate younger girls about STEM opportunities. She hosted a workshop with interactive engineering, chemistry, and filmography stations. To reinforce her event, Emily created a podcast targeted to girls that highlights influential female figures in STEM throughout history.
This project made me really rely on the people who have helped me, and I think that's really important for a leader, is to understand who's there, because many people think that a leader is taking control and doing everything yourself, but in reality it's actually helping and guiding those around you. So I really gave the reins to a few other people there who helped me. So I had other girls in my troop help me that day, and it really told me how to trust and how to guide them and lead them instead of doing it myself. I definitely learned communication and organizational skills, because there were multiple things I had to organize together, and I did fail a few times in creating this project, but I think failure created lessons for me, and I definitely learned how to communicate to people who are trying to help me, as well as organize the day so it flows the best. My name is Emily Hugan, and I am a Gold Award Girl Scout.